Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We continue our lecture, Chapter 2, Inequalities and Absolute Values. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to solve absolute inequalities of the form. There are 4 forms that we're going to learn, which is absolute value of ax plus b that involve 1, 2, 3, 4 inequality symbol. Before we start, let's take a look at the property of absolute inequalities. If we have absolutes of x, which is less than a, we can write in the algebraic interpretation as x greater than negative a and x less than a. We also can represent this algebraic interpretation on a number line. For x is greater than negative a, we're going to represent it with open circle and right side arrow. And for x less than a is the opposite way. And is intersection where two lines overlap. So we can say x is between negative a and a exclusively. We're going to do the same if we have less than or equals to. It's just that we're going to use closed circle. For absolute value of x, which is greater than a, then x is less than negative a or x is greater than a. So if we represent this algebraic interpretation on a number line, then x less than negative a is open circle with left side arrow, and for x greater than a is open circle with right side arrow. We can also use union for the word or, which is mean all or both solution on the left and right side. Same goes if we have greater than or equals to. Thanks for learning. Sincerely, Teacher 1.